Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. On this video we're going to be going over on how to create a restricted area for your website. Usually restricted areas are used, for example, if you're creating a course and you don't want everyone to access your course on your website, you would do a restricted area so only people that bought your course or downloaded your course would have access to that area. So first off, we're going to go over here on the layouts, and for your website you would have your basic layout where you have all your home page, your other pages. To create a members area, you would have to create another layout, for example like this one where I already named the member area, and go to over here on this little lock so you can start setting up your restricted area. You can click on it. It's going to take you to this page over here where you can name your restricted area. Once you name it, you can go ahead and click on next. And over here is going to be what type of registration method you want your users to use to access your restricted area. So for example, signing up with an email and password, or they can also access by a token that you can create over here. If you don't want to do this, you can just leave it at access via email and password and go to the next one. On this page, it is going to be how they're going to get access to your page. So for example, they're going to be able to access it automatically once they sign up with email. On this one, they will only have access if the user confirms the email registered via Mailing Boss. Over here is if he pays or you do it manually. And on the last one is for Builderall users only. So for example, if someone already has a Builderall account and accesses it, they will automatically access your restricted area. Once you guys selected which one you guys want, you guys can click on next. And over here is where you can integrate your Mailing Boss to your restricted area. If you're already logged in, your public and private key will already be autofilled over here, and your Mailing Boss lists will be listed down over here. If not, you can just go to Mailing Boss, get your public key and your private key where it says API keys on the left hand side on the menu, and paste it over here. If you're already done so, you can select which list you want to link. I'm just going to select the tutorial list, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be it. I'm just going to click on save, and my restricted area is going to be saved. And this is how you create and set up your restricted area. So from now on, people will only be able to come to this layout over here if they signed up or if they bought my product or any of the reasons that I put on my restricted area. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. This is going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.